Hello, welcome back to Big City Little Kitty. You can see my cans now. That's one of the reasons it was a mess. It's all just a load of cans because of I drink a lot. But yeah, we're gonna get straight into it. On the previous video, we were sitting here beefing a load of jam for this guy. But now I completely forgot what we're going to do. We're gonna be able to go past. No. Okay. Well, oh, I didn't see the water there. I'm tripping. We need to collect these shiny coins for the crow. We can go through here. I hope you guys did like the previous video. I can take a nap. Will this pass by the day? No. Wait, do I hold it? It seemed like it was going to like... Oh, you hold it to like... Okay. And then when you let go, it wakes up. Alright, let's jump onto here. Knock all these off. Oh, okay. Chameleon dude. Hi. Hello? Are you talking to me? Of course. You can see me. Yes. Astonishing. I've never met anyone who else could see me through my superior camouflage. Does it seem my power is fading? Oh, I can... Hick. How are you, magician? Indeed. Damn. In fact, you can see, if you can see me, you may be able to see the magician's hat I wear. It's not a magician hat. It's just a top hat, bro. It's let other magicians know I'm trolling the area. So they can see you too. Absolutely not. I'm invisible to all. That's why I'm rather surprised to be noticed by you. For example, I'm so good at disguising myself that I even make my words disappear. Watch this. Man is just not talking. See that? No, you didn't, because my words are totally camouflaged. That is pretty cool. Thank you. It took years to perfect. But if you're a master of camouflage, how come I can see you? Quite. Perhaps it's to do with your eyes being so weird. Huh? Uh-oh. Has something happened to my eyes? Have you seen them? Yeah, they're cute. I don't think I can. You just have to tell me. Or for a starter, they're in front of your face. That's weird. What? This guy, this side eye guy. Is it? And they don't seem to stick out at all. Or right inside your head, taking up all value brain room. I don't know what's smart, but I would like to beg differ that the cats are smarter than a chameleon. Maybe use my eyes for thinking. Can you at least move them in different directions at the same time? I don't think so. This dude is yapping. Should I be right? Do you think? I couldn't say. I'm a magician, not a vet. However, if your weird, inferior eyes are truly immune to my vanishing act, then I have finally met a worthy opponent. Wait, what? I must learn to outsmart your weird eyes. I will don new disguises, practice my new tricks, engage the noble art of self-improvement. I don't want you to change on my account. Ah, sweet Cadet, so weird, so small, so wrong. No, to restore my reputation as the world's most concealed creature, I must change. It is the only way to defeat your weird eyes. When you say you want to defeat my eyes, I challenge you to find me again, cat. Here. No, I shall leave this place. While I adjust my technique, then I shall reappear somewhere else. Obviously, I will be almost impossible to detect, so I will leave you with a clue to my general location. There's a place where hard hats shine, where concrete pours and diggers shut wine. I'll be camouflaged nearby, invisible to your weird eye, demon eyes. Have you ever heard of a poetic license? No, I haven't. Well, I have one, and I'm not afraid to use it. Anyways, good luck finding me. That is yapping, bro. We are climbing, by the way. We are getting high ground. We've got 5. Where do we go from here? Yeah, I need to get back up. I feel like I'm gonna fall and just... Yeah, there's nowhere to go. I guess I just gotta find coins. I was on the jam part over there. Maybe I gotta go find that dude again. I've probably forgotten where, like, the clues he gave me. Grab his can. Just think about Digger, so it's a place over here. Oh, another cat. He's a chubby cat. Let's see if I can get to him. Okay. The boss are good. Do a bit of parkour. I want to jump up there. What, that was weird. There you go. I'll shoot down. Ah, never mind. Got. Oh, wait, it's a dog in it. Yeah. Did he got it just a little more? Yes. No. To get out of here. He can't. That is funny. Okay, no. Until I'm going to go yes. Because need to get in, so I assumed it would be exactly as easy to get out. Would you like some help? Let me try one more thing. I need to be help down, please. Can you push from in here? Can you put me? It's a dog, I know what it is. No, it's not. Bro, am I dumb? It's a fucking raccoon, bro. Thank you. You're welcome. What were you doing in there? I was looking for feathers for my new invention and saw something glinting in the pipe. I assumed it must be the famous inverted collector's edition Geku. Come. Why would you want the imported collecting Geku thingy? Those medallions are the ones where the weird error that makes Geku look like a weird sea monster exposed to nuclear radiation instead of the big Geku exposed to nuclear radiation. They're worth a fortune, but it turned out to be a normal shiny and then it got stuck. You want it? Yes. Here, thank you. You say you were an inventor. I do. I love solve problems, animals, new problems, do stuff. How rude. Rude, no, it's a compliment. Like when I say, oh dear, this will take getting used to, or Danku, you really shouldn't have done that, or I didn't know a raccoon could disrupt those space. Feathers. You find feathers for this dude. Sorry. There is some yapping in this game. Now I'll take it out. I can just go through it. So that did want me to find feathers. There's so many things I've got to look out for. Oh, am I got a cat? Here's a fresh race. Have you come to see the birds? I've never seen them so close before, not without glass in the way. An indoor cat, that explains it. Can I get even closer to them? You can, yes. In fact, you can even hold them. The trick is to sneak up near to them without spooking them. Then you pounce. That took me by surprise. One of the best pouncing does. But certainly cautious enough to avoid a little cat. That said, I suppose there's always the bread proposition. The bread proposition. It works as follows: 1. Obtain bread. 2. Use bread as bait for birds. 3. Pounce. Okay, got it. Bread plus birds equal catching. But, do you have any bread I can borrow? Oh my god! That bird! Let us know bread comes from humans, not cats. It's in their pockets, in their briefcase, even clutched in their hands. Does that make it theirs? Temporarily, but it can be yours if you master the art of getting on the foot. The art of? Just cutely swipe at their feet when they walk, they trip, they bread will fall. Thank you for the advice. Okay. I was stuck there for a split second. By the way, my back is hella itchy because I need to put stuff on it for my tone. Let's go around. Let's get some bread then, I guess. How did he get through this gap? That's a good way. But I'm so bad. I'm just terrible at this game. So there's actually a lot of things we got to be looking out for. Shinies, feathers, the chameleon dude. With whatever location he's in. This dude's got bread.
Huh?
Got ya! And then we could probably go and look for a bird. No, I wanna like... How do I pounce? Oh, gotcha! Also not that person as well. I got a bird. Oh, that's how you get feathers. Okay. That's good to know. Oh. Well then, I'm gonna drop that. I'm gonna... Oh! You want that bread? You want that bread? Come on. Oh. Got yeah. Some birds everywhere. Go on. Birdie. Yo! Oh. I've got you again. I've got you again. Slow motion. This time from this angle. Got you. Easy. It's easy being a bird catcher. Oh my god. Again. Oh my god. No, I effed it. I messed up. I want that up there. That might get a new customization. We can forget it's bread. We can always get more bread. I feel like I should be able to jump onto that car. There's gotta be a way up. Bro, I feel like jumping onto the front of the car is that. Oh, we can go through here. Is this back to the main area though? Maybe. Oh wait, no, wait. Maybe we crawl through. We jump up onto here. Never mind. I don't know what I was thinking. Surely I can get it. No, you can't. You doing your bread. I feel like... Okay, maybe not. We'll leave it. Oh. We got 3 feathers. We can give it to the raccoon now, don't we? Can't we? Raccoon's this way. There we go. How's it going? I hope so. Give me. I forgot my please. No, you can have them. Thank you. No, do you want to see a corner mention it? Yes. What? Man just made a portal. By the way, it's cropping out my screen. I don't know why. Do you guys see that to the right? Near portal. I guess where it goes. So it's not anymore. The flashies will glow. Right. We go to the network. Oh, okay. So it's just allowed to go to other places. Ta-da. Ta-da. Is that my cue? Wait, where are you? Oh well, it's completely dark. I can smell it's exciting. That's how it sounds like a place. Completely dark. Oh, I'm in the bin. Okay, here we go. Pressure one. Whoa! Why would I not have my own eyeballs? I'll take that. Yeah, scratching two. So yeah, I knew it was good. Look how happy the cat looked then. Where am I? Oh, you landed in trash. When you said that out of the trash, that's why the smell was familiar. This is very exciting. It means the pet work. It needs to rival your system. Let you know when you've done that. Then hop in and come back. Come back. Come back. You know. Return. When I will I return? Use portals. Come back to this guy. Okay. 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 Find more feathers. That's all what I get from that. Oh my god. Good one. And now I bypass that. Oh, this is where the chameleon is, eh? He said he was in here. Digger site. I'm thinking, I'm currently... I can't go that way. I'll go through here. Oh, I guess I'm not allowed to be in here. Seems he just went, Let's try and climb up. I'm not coming up from there. What? Okay. Oh no. That is a big rip. Let's draw a B for my name, Blake. There you go, amazing. And how do we get out? Oh, we can move this way so we can find another way. There you go. Ow, my head. Go for her. Just exploring. So we've been here. This is the nap place. The place of nap. Rip. Oh! Jeez. Right, I think we're gonna end the video there. I like doing a lot of short videos. I don't like doing long videos recently, but I hope you guys did like this video. I know it's been short. I hope you liked the previous video. If you want to go and watch the previous video, it will be somewhere. It will be somewhere, alright. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. You know, just so you show support. If you subscribe, you'll be notified of videos. You know what I mean. And obviously, make sure to hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos. And comment down below your favourite cat breed. Once again, I said this for the last video, but I want to know your favourite cat breed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.